How to turn on color filters on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can turn on color filters on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to turn on color filters on your iPhone, all you have to do is basically just go ahead and launch the settings application. And once you launch settings, you want to look for the application called accessibility over here. And then once you tap on accessibility, you'll be able to see all these sorts of options, right? So you want to simply go ahead and then look for the option called display and text size at the very top. Once you tap on the option called display and text size, you'll be able to look for the option called color filters. So just look for the option called color filters. Currently you can see it is actually turned off by default, so you want to just make sure to tap on it and then just turn it on. So you can choose any of the filters that you actually want over here. So you can choose grayscale, you can choose red green filter, you can see green red filter, you can see blue yellow filter, and you can also see color tint. Depending upon whichever filter that you really want, you can go ahead and simply simply replace these manually. In this case I'll just leave it to off, but I just showed you how you can turn it on. So that's all it takes to go ahead and then turn on your color filters on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.